Hi everyone, Kristina here, and I am thrilled to share with you Nama Juicers has just kicked off their biggest Black Friday sale of the year. The wait is over. Their new J2 model is back in stock after completely having sold out the first week, and it is on sale for $80 off. Even their Vitality 5800 is on sale and also $80 off. They only give this discount once a year for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so do not wait, do not hesitate to hop on this special if you've been looking to get a new juicer, or even if you've been looking to gift a new juicer this holiday season. To get $80 off the new J2 juicer and even the Vitality 5800, you can use the code FullyRaw80 at checkout. The sale only applies while supplies last, so don't wait. These machines will sell out quickly. As you can see here, I have the new J2 juicer and the Vitality 5800, and both of these juicers are on sale for $80 off. This is their biggest sale of the year. They never discount these juicers that much. Many of you have seen me use my J2 in my most recent videos, and I also did a reveal of this juicer, showing you how it works and why it is monumental for the juicing industry. I also made a comparison video of the J2 with the Vitality 5800, and both of those videos are linked below for you so you can figure out which juicer is the best for you and which one meets your needs. They are both wonderful machines and have different purposes and functions. I use them both in my kitchen all the time. Something fun I'm going to be doing this week to celebrate not only the holiday season, but also to celebrate juicing and wellness is I'm going to be going live every day on Instagram starting Sunday, and I'm going to be making juice with you. I'm going to be calling it A Week of Juicing with Kristina, and I'll be sharing these videos and saving them in a series on my IGTV for you so that you can go back and watch them anytime. I'll be going live every single day on Instagram at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time to answer your questions and just to have some fun juicing. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm really hoping you'll join me and that we can just juice together. Please be sure to follow my Instagram at FullyRawKristina. I'll be sure to put that link below, and you can join in on the fun. The Nama Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale will only last until November the 30th or until supplies last. So I hope that you will take advantage of this epic deal while you can. I am letting you know early so that you can get the juicer you want and you can get the holiday gifts you want at the lowest possible prices. The special links that you need are linked below for you in this video. To get $80 off the J2 juicer and the Vitality 5800, please use the code FullyRaw80 at checkout, and I hope you enjoy these amazing juicers. I hope to see you all on my Instagram Live starting tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Get ready and order your juicers now. Much love, and I'll see you soon.